Hey everyone, it's Dylan. We're back again for another week here in the shop. I just want to say thank you to all you guys who have been showing support recently. We got a lot of views on our last few videos and we really appreciate it, so thank you. This week we're going to be continuing on the Nelk table, so we're going to apply the first coat of finish and show you what that looks like. We're going to continue on the river rock countertop. We're going to get a coat of finish on that. We've got a resin pour that we plan on doing. It's a cast for a big quilted maple slab, and you're also going to see some more progress on Brad's wenge door. So I hope you guys enjoy this week's video, and please don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe.
We are here today with the Nelk Boys table, full send. We are going to fill this wood with super glue to stabilize it, and basically we're just going to be putting it on and spreading it around, and then we'll sand it down after to make it all smooth and flat.
Okay, so we've got the full send table all ready to go for its first coat of finish. We've got both sides soaked in super glue, the logo's in there, it's all sanded up, 320. So now we're going to hit it with the extra thin. A lot of you guys ask what we use for finishing. So the first coat's always the Osmo extra thin. We'll put a link down in the description so you guys can check this out to buy it from our website. But this just helps a little bit with the water protection. Since it's so thin, it'll really soak into the pores of the wood.
Be doing a time-lapse installing a custom 4-inch wide brick mold on this huge oversized wenge jam.
Okay, so we've got a used bucket that we've done a pour with before. You can kind of see the shiny epoxy in the bottom. And one thing you guys comment a lot is if we can reuse these or if they're single use. So I'll show you how we actually reuse them. So just take the mallet, just go all the way around. That should break it all off. There you go. Okay, so then we've got the bottom out, and then we just have to peel out our sides. So we're getting ready actually to do another resin pour. It's been a little while since we've done a pour. It's actually because we've been out of resin, but we've got more resin now. We're getting ready to pour this quilted maple slab here. It's about 3 inches thick, heavily figured, and it's gonna get like this dark gray or smoky gray epoxy getting poured around it. We've calculated about 105 liters it's gonna take for this, so Ben and I are just getting ready to mix everything up. We'll add the pigment in, and we'll get this thing poured. Countertop is finally all sanded up and ready to go. So we got everything sanded up to 320 grit. We filled in all the imperfections, and now we're going to apply that first coat of Osmo. For the first coat, we actually used the 1101 extra thin since it's thinner and gets a little bit better penetration into the pores of the wood. And then we'll follow that up with some coats of the 3043 Pollux.
Table over, and we're going to put a coat on the top now. We're putting extra thin on here. And you want some? I thought you were holding out your hand. Here we go.
Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. We got a lot done. It was a pretty busy week. Here's the pour beside me. It's been a couple days that it's been sitting in the mold, so probably by Monday we're going to be ready to take it out. Next week we're probably gonna finish up the Nelk table like completely. So let us know what you guys think of that table, and if there's any other YouTubers that you guys watch that you think we should make something for, leave that in the comments down below. But we will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.